Either what if we could stop dragging and dropping tests manually forever in Tosca and let the AI build the complete test case, right from scanning the modules, also forming the test steps, and also building the test case. So all that could be done in Tosca Cloud with this advanced feature, which is the Agentic Test Automation. But before we can let the AI take the wheel and drive it, we need to have a perfect setup. And today I'm going to show you the exact detailed steps which you need to perform in order to use this agentic test automation to build your test cases for any application. So we'll also see a live use case where we'll be using the co-create mode to let the agentic AI create the test cases along with us reviewing all the steps. So let's go and get agentic. So to get started, we have to open the hood, and there are three levels to this setup. Now, if you are working in a project and you have got a workspace administrator, then he has to enable the AI services in your project settings. And this should connect your workspace to the Tricentis AI engine. Now, if you are working on an individual license like mine, then you need to just go into the agentic test automation, which is present right on your homepage. So here you can see this is the Tosca agent test automation, and it is present on the top bar. So as soon as I click on it, for the first time, it should ask you to review some AI privacy terms. This is important. Tosca AI uses your prompt and module names to build logic, but it doesn't use your private company data to train global modules. So we need to accept the terms in order to unlock this feature. And that will only appear for the first time. So I have already done that. I don't need to repeat that. And this is another thing which we have to do. So we have to enable the browser notifications so that the Tosca agentic test automation can send you all the notifications in terms of permissions and other things. So it has given the instructions to do it in the browser or the Windows machine. So once you do that, you are inside the Tosca agentic test automation. And here, the best and the most important feature is generating a test case. So let's go ahead and click on this generate a test case. Now, as soon as you do that, it shows you the interaction methods. Now, there are two interaction methods. One is the TBox method, and the other is Vision AI. Now, TBox is your go-to engine for web, SAP GUI, or Fiori applications. It reads the technical DOM and properties directly. It's fast, precise, and highly stable. So we can use for 90% of our standard web testing. Some cases may not be compatible for this. So for that, you can use the Vision AI. Now, this completely ignores the code and it looks at the pixels or the visual things, right? So if you're testing a complex UI with no accessible properties or an app with deeply nested frames, Vision AI is your tool. So today we'll be looking at the TBox mode. So we'll be doing it for a web application. So I'm going to select this and click on continue. It will ask you to open the launcher. So go ahead and do that. So once the agent is set up, it will ask you to select a window. So for a web application, you have to select a window for your web application, and for SAP GUI or SAP Fiori, you can choose your application window. So as you can see, it is already showing me web browsers. So I have opened the browser in the background, and I have navigated to my demo website. So I can go ahead and select this. And as you can see, it is asking you to set the correct display settings, maximize the window, and refrain from using your mouse while the agentic test automation is generating the test case. So it's important. So what we'll do, we'll go ahead and maximize this, and then we'll switch between the windows to see what's happening. Okay, so now it is saying the application is ready for automation, and we have to tell it what needs to be done. Now, the other thing which is present in the agentic test automation is the operating modes, right? So we have got two operating modes here. One is co-create and one is autonomous. So co-create is the default mode. Think of it as pair programming with an AI agent. So it performs a step, it waits for your feedback, and then you can refine your next instruction. So you can use this for complex business logic, and also you can use this to keep a human loop in between. Because if you pass the complete control to agentic AI, it may perform some steps which are not required or which you don't want to perform. Now, the other mode is the autonomous mode. Now, this is for pure speed, right? So if you want to do this very fast and you give the prompt, the AI runs every step in sequence until the test is finished. So there are no manual interruptions. There is no human loop in between. So for today's scenario, we are going to use the autonomous mode and will allow the agentic test automation to generate a full sequence of test steps for our test case without any intervention. In the next session, I will pick up a different scenario with the co-create mode. So let's choose the autonomous mode. And here, let's put the test instructions. So I'm going to use this instruction as a use case. So I'm asking it to log in to source demo as a standard user, sort the products by price from high to low, add the most expensive item to the cart, and then verify the cart badge shows 1. So it's kind of a simple to complex scenario, which will in general take you a little bit of time to automate, but we are asking the agentic test automation to do this without any help or any interruption from us. So let's see if it can do this. Let's play the button and let AI do its magic. So once it's done, we will look at what it has generated. Now, if you have noticed, the Tosca Agentic Test Automation has already performed all the steps. So it has sorted the price from high to low. It has logged in into the website, into the products page, and then you can see the filter is set from high to low here. And then there is also a product which is shown in the cart, which is 1, right? So if I click on this, you will see this is the product, and this is the highest priced product on this website. So if you go back, you will see there are no more products which are higher than this, right? So it has selected the product which is the highest priced. And if I go back, you can see it is generating the test steps. And then finally, once it is done, it is going to generate the test case, and it will allow us to save it to our workspace. So in a couple of minutes time, you will see it will finish up the test case and it will ask you to save the test case even, right? So I can click here, and then it will ask you if you want to keep the new modules or you want to reuse existing modules. I will say keep the new modules. And it will do all of this in the same window, okay? So it is saved now. We can also check it out. So it is giving us a link as well. I can go here, click on the link, and it will take me to my workspace to the exact test case. So here you can see this is the test case, and these are the steps. Inside the steps, it has got all the values, action modes, data type already set, right? So you can go and check everything. And if you want to make any modification, you can even do that. Now, as a final thing, if I want to make sure that it's working, I can again run this particular scenario. So as you can see, the test case has passed. We have got the results. You can also go ahead and check the results if you want. So go to test runs, and there you will find your past test case, right? So as you can see, agentic automation is the future, right? So it is moving the industry from scripting to basically supervising or do pair programming with AI agent. And if you have followed this video, then you are already ahead of the market. Now, I have a challenge for you. Go to your current project, pick your most complicated manual test, and try to generate it using the Agentic Test Automation in Tosca Cloud. And let me know in the comments if it works. If not, we can have a look together. Now, if this deep dive helped you, then hit that like and subscribe button to join our community. Check the links below for our masterclass and technical support if you need. And I will see you in the next tutorial where we will discuss about the other mode, which is the co-create mode for the Tosca Agentic Test Automation.